Hey there, it's Basic Skills 101. Welcome back to the channel. You've probably noticed those cool anime avatars on YouTube, and today, I'm going to show you how to make one with the help of AI. By the end of this video, you'll be a pro at crafting your own anime avatar. Let's jump right in. To kick things off, we'll generate the avatar portrait using Leonardo AI. Head over to the Leonardo AI dashboard. Pick the image generation tool and choose a fine-tuned model. I'm going with Elbow Base XL. Enter your text prompt. Mine's in the description below. Hit the generate button and voila! Pick your favorite image or tweak the prompt if needed. Once you're satisfied, click the download icon to save your portrait. Excellent, our portrait is ready. Now, let's give our avatar a voice. Head to a text-to-speech online AI voice generator, link below. Paste your script, select a voice actor, and click play. Download the audio when you're happy with it. Now it's time to breathe life into our avatar using hen.com. Sign up, create an account, click Create Video, choose a format, and upload the picture. You can write a script, but we already have a voiceover, so click Upload Local Audio to add your voice. Hit Submit, and download the video after compilation. But, oh no, there's a watermark. No worries, use a watermark remover website. Upload your video, select the watermark area, and download the clean video. And there you have it. Your anime avatar is ready to impress your audience.
I'm making AI taking avatar. Like and subscribe the video.
Share your thoughts and results in the comments below. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy creating.